Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Do you have a table for one?
Yes, please sit here.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here is the menu.
What do you recommend today?
I recommend the pasta. It is very good.
Is the pasta spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
What soups do you have?
We have tomato soup and chicken soup.
Which soup is the best?
Many people like the tomato soup.
How much is the tomato soup?
It is $3.
Do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a green salad and a fruit salad.
Is the salad fresh?
Yes, all our salads are very fresh.
What drinks do you have?
We have juice, water, and tea.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course, I will bring it now.
Is the orange juice fresh?
Yes, we make it every morning.
How much is the orange juice?
It is $2.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the pasta, please.
Would you like soup with that?
Yes, I will have the tomato soup.
What size would you like?
A small size, please.
Would you like bread with your soup?
Yes, please, thank you.
Is the bread free?
Yes, bread is free with your meal.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes, not long.
Can I change my order?
Yes, of course. What would you like?
I would like the chicken instead.
No problem, I will change it for you.
Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It is grilled, very healthy.
Does the chicken come with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with carrots and broccoli.
I am allergic to carrots. Is that okay?
Yes, we can remove the carrots for you.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
You are welcome. It is my job.
Is this table near the window?
Yes, you can see the street from here.
Can I sit at a different table?
Of course. Please follow me.
Is this table okay for you?
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
The menu is very big. What is popular?
The grilled fish is very popular today.
How is the fish cooked?
It is cooked with lemon and herbs.
Does it have bones?
No, we remove all the bones.
Is it expensive?
No, it is very affordable.
Can I see the dessert menu?
Yes, here it is.
What desserts do you have?
We have cake, ice cream, and fruit.
What flavor is the cake?
It is chocolate cake today.
Is the ice cream homemade?
Yes, we make it here every day.
Can I have the ice cream after my meal?
Of course, I will bring it later.
Is everything okay with your food?
Yes, it is delicious, thank you.
Can I have some more bread, please?
Yes, I will bring it right away.
Excuse me, my soup is cold.
I am sorry. I will bring you a hot one.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, I will bring it now.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Is service included in the bill?
Yes, service is included.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Yes, here is your receipt.
The food was very good today.
Thank you. We are glad you liked it.
I will come back next week.
We will be happy to see you again.
Can I take some food home?
Yes, I will pack it for you.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Have a great day.